So the short answer is to use the restricted formats, and basically these are the commands for different Ubuntu OS flavors. So you just have to say whichever one you're using, just say that one restricted extras. But I guess continue watching to see what all I did to get to this point. Hi. So in this video, we are going to try and solve this error. So when I double click on a MKV file, the error pops up. H.264 high profile decoder is required to play the file, but is not installed. Now what's weird thing about this is when I click on find in software, I can hear the audio. Hi. But there is no After video. Installing so right now I can hear the audio. It could be a caching issue. So let's try this first. We'll open a terminal, okay? And then like on the home directory. So when you say cd, go to .cache, cd.cache. And then if we look for files here, you can see there is this GStreamer directory. Now because it's a cache folder, so let's just do this. Let's just do a remove -r GStreamer 1.0. Now let's try playing the file again. Okay, so it still doesn't work. But what's weird is, again, I can hear my voice. So now what we can do is we can actually, so it's the GStreamer. So let's do this. Let's look for GStreamer 1.0 in apt search GStreamer 1.0. See, just look for GStreamer, apt search GStreamer. So like I'm on Zorin and there's this Zorin OS restricted extras. I wonder if there's a, okay, so there is like commonly media for Ubuntu as well. So there must be one for Ubuntu as well. I think if we install the media pack, we should be fine. So I'm running Zorin. So if I install that pack, I think I should be okay. For Ubuntu, we'll have to install that one. But let's see if we can find H.264 high profile decoder is required. Let's maybe set time to like past year. See, so there's some other guys trying to solve this. Is there any? Okay, let's see. Article. Okay, I'm not sure about all that. Okay, there's one way is to install VLC, and VLC will install the required codecs. Okay, so we'll see what I see. Okay, so now let's try and run the video again. Get the error, but if I open the video in VLC, okay, so it works. Hi. Huh. Didn't solve the actual error then. It's not part of the OS. Maybe it requires a restart. Nah. It's basically if you're on Ubuntu, everyone is like, okay, you need Ubuntu restricted extras. Okay, I'll leave VLC, but I'll install, there was a Zorin extra. Let me just do this. If I say GStreamer grep Zorin, this Zorin OS restricted extras. Okay, so if you're using Ubuntu, you'll be Ubuntu restricted extras and so on. So let's do this. Sudo apt install. It's getting Microsoft fonts as well and Unrar and a few add-ons. Okay, let's try this. So I'm using tab. Now OK is selected. Now I'm going to press enter. Do you accept? Tab again and then yes. Okay, so everything is installed. Let's try running it again. Now it works. The solution is to install the restricted extras, and I'll paste this link in the description. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.